Hello everyone, it's Chris with Disney Dynamicks, and today we've got a snack box, and I'm really excited about it. We received a box from this company about a month and a half ago, I want to say, and that one was the Taste of Home. This one is the World of Treats. This is a little bit more money, but I'm excited to see what's in it. Let's take a look at what we're doing. Alright, so this is Main Street Treats Company. Exactly those words. Main Street Treats Company on Facebook. And this is all coming up right now. Alright. So this one, if I remember right, so in the beginning I had originally ordered a Snow White and the Seven Treats box. That was months ago at the beginning of the pandemic. And I just wanted to order it to be on the list. And then they contacted me through email and said, it's going to be a while before we can do that one. Those are treats that they get through Epcot. Would you like to change it over to the World of Treats box? And so I said, yeah. So I think that the original box that I ordered was $99.99 plus $15 shipping. And they just rolled it into this one, so that's what this one cost. And even though they charge $15 in shipping, the shipping label says it cost them $20 to ship it here. So, not mad at that. Alright, let's see what we got. I need some snacks in my life. Oh, I see Goofy Candy Company. I was hoping there would be some stuff. I'm missing Disney something fierce right now. Alright, so let us begin with their little postcard. You can take a look at that. Oh, that's really washed out. Still getting used to this camera. So I put the light ring around the lens now, and I'm trying to make the lights a little more yellow, but I wanted to show you this real quick too. This is how I'm seeing you. So the camera does have a viewfinder that points toward me. You can flip it up, but currently that's where my microphone is, and the screen's pretty small, and having it set up the way I do right now, it's easier for me to just see if I'm centered on this one. So if you see me looking over there, there isn't a stalker. It's just because I'm trying to make sure that I'm centered in the shot. Anyway, so I'll put a better picture of that up there, and on the back it says, "This much I know, if you are what you eat, then I only want to eat the good stuff. Ratatouille." Very cute. Oh, yes! Love these! Every time. So when we go to Disney, we usually get the meal plan, where you get so many counter service and so many snacks per day and all that stuff. We never eat that much because it just seems to slow us down, so we always end up with like a ton of snack credits. And so we just go shopping before we leave. We actually bring an extra like suitcase so we can, stock it full of snacks. Character gummies. These are so good. Boop. Throw a little picture up there for you. That is a phenomenal start. Alright. Got some little coin chocolates. We got Chip have a red nose or Dale have a red nose? Dale? Got a coin with Dale on it. I never remember that one. I don't know why. Let me show you this one too. There's a Mickey chocolate coin. And I'll put pictures of these boop, boop, right there for you. Love me some chocolate. Then we have Mickey Pretzels from the Chip 'n Dale Snack Company. So cool having these. It's just like we just got back from our trip, so that's kind of cool. Let me throw a better picture for you. Alright. Oh, there's some good stuff in here. Then we have another Rice Krispie treat. So we had these Rice Krispie treats in the last box that we got. They were super soft. They're in really nice shape. When this box arrived yesterday, we threw it right in the refrigerator until we could record this. But everything, there's nothing melty, and this time we did not opt to put the ice pack in it. We just decided, since we've had a little bit of cooler weather lately, that we would just, you know, give it a shot. So this comes from Selma's, and that is the company that provides a lot of the treats to the Disney parks. And so, even though it may not have a Mickey shape, it's still very summery, and it's the same company and the same ingredients and everything. So, yeah, I dig that. It is really good. All right, just keeps going. Chocolate dipped coconut patties. I'm definitely going to want to open these to get a better picture. Did I put a photo box picture of... Boop. Getting ahead of myself. Sorry. I need some snacks. Coconut patties. So, we will open these up, throw them up on the turntable, maybe take a bite. Throw the picture right there. Boop. There it is. Okay. Alright. Oh, this is so good. The peanut butter and banana candy bar. Love these. We always get maybe 2 of each of the flavors. There's the birthday cake one and the caramel one and this one. That's awesome. This is gonna help my... Oh, boop. My lack of Disney. This helps a lot. So, I don't know if you guys saw the video where I did that other company that did snack boxes, and I got the popcorn that looked all sweaty. Look at that bag of caramel corn. Main Street popcorn. So good. I'll put a better... Boop. This just makes my day. I had like not the best day in the world. Just work-wise, but things are turning around. Now we have Mini Sweets chocolate and vanilla character cookies. So they're like, I mean, it's in a box, kind of like animal crackers. I don't think we've ever got those, but I'm cool with that. Oh, boop. I don't know why I keep forgetting that. All right. Oh, look at what I found. There is confetti. Oh, I almost threw a cookie. Okay. All right. So these last 2 items, Kristen, one of the owners of Main Street Treats, contacted me to explain what these were so that I didn't get confused. So the last box we did had cookies that were from Gideon's Bakehouse, and they're sold at the Polite Pig. So she wanted to make sure that I didn't think that that's what these were. These are, it's a cookie and a brookie, and these come from Earl of Sandwich at Downtown Disney. So this is the brookie, which is a brownie cookie combo. And I will unwrap that, take a better picture. Boop. That looks so good. Oh, it's soft. And this is a chocolate chip cookie from the same place, from Earl of Sandwich. There we go. So, did I put that last cookie up there? I think I did. If you would like to try Main Street Treats Company, we will put a link down below, and you can use our promo code to save 10% off your first box. So, DD10, and look down below. It'll take you right to their site, and there's a place to actually enter in DD10, and that'll save you some money. All right. Lots of treats. I'm digging it. I keep liking these snack boxes. I cannot wait for their other boxes to be available. They're like I said, the Snow White and the 7 Treats. There are so many, like, I think there's one that's from Germany. They're all over the place. But I'm really excited to try those. These are the items that I have access to right now, which I really appreciate. And then our palate can explore a little bit more as the parks open, which is coming soon. So, excited for that. If you'd like to take a look at our last video, it was a giveaway for the Star Wars key. That video is right here. And if you'd like to subscribe to our channel, click the button right here. And I hope you're having a great day.